450.
Keep dancing with the devil, baby, there's a lot of head.
Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog from the great Sunshine State of Florida, and welcome back to Tool Time Thursdays. This one is going to be a nice and easy, a quick one. I bought this tool anytime. I wouldn't say if it's a tool or accessory, but every time I travel, I bring it with me. Every time, I mostly bought it for like track use, but also definitely when I'm on the road, especially since a lot of new cars does not come with a spare. And like the BMWs, they just come with, I think, a fix-a-flat, and that might be it, but we'll check that out. But as usual, if this is your first time checking out the channel, please definitely tap that subscribe button down below, hit the bell icon for future uploads, and definitely share, like, and comment. Tell me what you like or don't like, and what tools you'd want me to see me review, or send me some tools to review. No problem. Let's get to the video. So today we're going to go over Brody. And I have a special guest, Brody Aiden. Get out of the rose bush. You're gonna stick yourself. Then I'm gonna get in trouble. So, what we're gonna go over today is my snap-on air compressor. I've had a Milwaukee one. It's not as powerful, and the battery don't last as long as this one. Let me see, I'll press it and hold it to turn it on. My battery dead on this? Oh, better not be. So right now I had it set to 35 PSI. Also, if you see, I use this for my air bags on the back of my truck. When I put the trailer on, I use this to air the bags up in the back. As I said, you could unflade. It has a light. Where's that? Has some lights if you're on the side of the road at nighttime. Turn those back off. I could set the pressure for what I want it to be, down or up, and you just start it and it automatically goes to it. So at the track, you know, you could air down. My lights. Guess it has flashing lights. Put it out when you're on the side of the road so you don't get ran over. All right, now they're off. So I use this. You can use this at the track as well for when, you know, you air the tire down. And then also if you drive to the track, you also have the capability to power it up. And what I like about this battery, it uses the big 18-volt battery compared to the one that I had before. And also you could always check and test to see where your charge is at. As you can see, I got a full charge. Brody, stop eating the grass. Brody, Broadstone. Brody, what are you eating? Get inside and stop eating that. In the house. You have to put them in. Also, it has some accessories on the side for little fittings, basketball, blow some air if you need to. Has some reflectors as well on the side if you're on the side of the road. And also it has two USB ports, 5 volts to 2.1 amps. So while you're there, if you don't have something to charge your phone, you could have something to charge your phone. It has some rubber isolator legs, phone charger, extra reflection lights, and you could tilt it like that, like that. The battery does a pretty good charge on it. It lasts for a while compared to the other one. So I'm gonna try it on my rim here, show you what I got. So got my Triumph Forge wheels. So right here is my, I've never used them on this wheel. As I said, I've used them on the truck, my airbags. So right now I have them on. As I said, I really like this one. It powers up pretty good, and it's pretty fast. So plug it up. Shows that I have 27. Why is it so low? So I have it set to 35, and then I just hit the button. It goes up. It's airing the tire up. And then when it gets to 35, it cuts out. And it cuts off. So this is the one that comes with the car. As you can see, it's pretty small. And then what the main thing I don't like about this one is you have to plug it into the cigarette lighter. You're gonna have to walk this all the way around the car. So max PSI, I've never used this. Have I used it? I don't think I've ever used this one, but I've definitely used this one. Then just do that. Oh, it's like, where did I put my cap? Can't lose my blue cap. And then this is a lot more portable, because with this one I have to worry about plugging it into the cigarette lighter. I don't even know where the cigarette lighter is at in the car. Where's the cigarette lighter? Oh, I think it's down here. I think I have one on the other side, but I think there's one in here as well. So I have to plug it in the cigarette lighter, probably run it through the window, and then bring it back and run it to this side, or take it to the other side. But with this, battery operated, easy go, and you see how pretty fast it was. It didn't take no time at all to go to 25. Yeah, I'm sure there's other brands out there, but as I said, this is the one that I like. This is the one that works for me. God dang it, always went the wrong way. Just always wrap it back up. And don't worry about me, it's like 200 degrees today. It was 250 earlier. So wrap it all up. Look at the comparison. And turn this off. So this is stock compressor, the compressor your girl told you not to worry about. So yeah, comes in really handy. And as I said, I use it on the back of my truck right here for my shocks, my air bags for my when I put my trailer on. So I'm gonna see if, come on, no hands. Look, Ma, no hands. So this is it. That's all that comes in here, nothing. Yeah, I don't think anything comes in here. There's nothing over here. Maybe it's in the, move that out of there. It says first aid kit. I don't see no first aid kit. All I see right here is just the tow hook and that. So in case, you know, even though these cars, they come with a run flat, so yeah, you don't even have, so if you tie, at least you could get some air in it to move it so you don't damage the rim or the sidewall, just till you get to some a safe area. So that's it, a quick and dirty air compressor. Save you in a pinch, save you at the track, and also come in handy for emergency. And I said, thank you guys for rocking with me, watching the videos. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing, commenting, and liking. Until the next Tool Time Thursdays, I'm out. Peace.
I don't know what sleep is. I got a queen, she lit me to evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me the snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through its murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low, with no love.